Affiliate marketing ideas to drive top-line growth. Everyone out there would look into becoming an affiliate marketer if they knew how to do it. The lack of knowledge is what's keeping most people out. In this video, you will read about a few tips to get you started in marketing or to help your current campaign grow. Knowledge is the key here, so make sure you read up. Do not take advantage of these cookies, and don't allow your affiliate partners to do so. This can be an annoyance to visitors. Or, you may end up breaking affiliate tracking chains. Even worse, this process can spread viruses. Take contract length into consideration. Many companies that work with affiliates put solid time frames into their contracts, usually between 6 to 12 months. Choose carefully when considering the time frames available. You don't want to get stuck with a contract that you aren't happy with for a full year. Before you sign up with an affiliate service, you should make sure that the company you're choosing offers real-time statistics. You will want to check your progress to see if there are any changes you need to make to your campaign. This is very difficult to do if the site you're dealing with does not update in real time. With the proper email tracking software, an affiliate can tell if his or her mail has been opened by the recipient. If it hasn't, you have two good options here. You can simply resend the mail again and hope they open it, or you can change the subject line to a more attention-grabbing title. Hopefully the video you just read will help you on your way to becoming a successful affiliate. Before you actually make that leap, you must remember that nothing is quite as important in marketing as knowing how to market. Make sure you understand these tips before you attempt to use them. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.